Okay, welcome. This is a YouTube short video now. I'm going to put a cricket ball in a wacky washer. This is a YouTube short. I'm going to have to be very quick, speedy video. So yeah, I'm going to put wacky washer in. Watch it go on. Hopefully it'll be a minute video. So there's a YouTube short. Cricket ball in the washer. Yeah, thanks for watching this YouTube short. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. I'd much appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, welcome to the next YouTube short. I'm going to this is a quickie. This is going to be a dry ball in a wacky washer, toy wacky washer. So I'll get this started and clamped up. I'll just wait for it to go around and then you can see. It's staying. It isn't staying. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. This is a YouTube short. Please like and subscribe, I much appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. There we go. Okay, welcome to the next YouTube short. I'm going to put a football in a washing machine now, so in the wacky washer I should say. So I'll clamp this up and give it a go. So this is the ball. It's going to go in. Maybe not this time. There we go, it's stayed in. Decided to go out, never mind. Just turn it off. So yeah, that was a football in a wacky washer. Don't forget to like and subscribe, I'd much appreciate it. I like quickies and videos like this. So yeah, thanks for watching this YouTube short. Like and subscribe, much appreciate it. See you in the next video. Okay, well to the next video, I'm going to put a tennis ball in the wacky washer here. Don't know if you can see it, there we go. Another YouTube short video, so I'm going to have to be quick. So let's crank up this wacky washer now. So there we go. So that's the tennis ball, that's going to go in. I don't want to go in that time, so I just need to get it around. So I can't stand up like this, it's a quick video. There we go, makes out. Well, the tennis ball didn't want to do it, so yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching this YouTube short, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, welcome to the next video. I'm going to put a netball in a wacky washer. This is a YouTube short by the way, so I'm going to have to be quick. A quick video. So yeah, netball in a washing machine. 30. There we go. Wedding stupid thing. There we go. Stayed in anyway, so it's going to go all the way around and just stayed in a little more. No looks like it has, so yeah, thanks for watching this YouTube short. I love quick videos like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, I much appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, I'm going to have to be quick with this video because it's a YouTube short. Don't forget to like and subscribe, I much appreciate it. I've got this powder ball in the washer, this is the smaller one. So I'll put this in. See what happens. Don't forget to like and subscribe, I much appreciate it. Yeah, so that was the dispense ball in a washing machine. I'll do the bigger ball in a minute. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is a YouTube short, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, welcome to the next video. This is another YouTube short. I'm going to have to be quick. I'm putting the bigger dispenser ball in now. It's fairly bigger. So in the wacky washer, so let's go. That's a good one. Whoa, it just went low, man. It's going to fall out, I don't know. But yeah, that's a good spin score in the washing machine. Well, that one is not for coming out with us now because I've stopped it. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I much appreciate it. This has been a YouTube short, and I'll see you in the next video. Hello and welcome to the next video. I'm going to put a rugby ball in the washer if I can find one. There we go. Yep, this is a rugby wacky washer, not washing machine. Yeah, so I'll crank up this washer and we'll find out this is another YouTube short, so we'll have to look at. So yeah, that's the rugby ball in the washer. So yeah, it's not going to fly out of bed, something this one. And that stayed in, yes. So thank you for watching this YouTube short. I'd much appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video in my long form content. So I'll see you in the next video.